you're over at Small Direct Club. I know that company, you guys manufacture these clear aligners, give them to customers without any doctor's visits. And obviously, right now we're obviously in this work from home and social distancing episode, and
Yep.
we're kind of in the midst of this coronavirus epidemic. I'm curious for you, is it business as usual since there's no in-person contact? How has this coronavirus pandemic affected you, the business, your team?
Well, I think anyone would be hard pressed to find anything that's business as usual right now. And while I can't speak with any authority on the business side, I can say that our production facilities have been taking measures to reduce person-to-person exposure in the building, as well as eliminating any direct contact with our product. One of the efforts the company is taking, like many others right now, is to temporarily stop production and close many of the shops located around the country in an effort to flatten the curve.
Got it. Yeah, I mean, it sounds like the company is really taking a big effort to make sure that you guys are safe. The company
Yeah,
is
definitely.
doing the right things to help flatten the curve and the entire, obviously prevent this infection from getting any worse, which
Yeah,
is great to hear.
we all try to do our
Um,
part.